Your love like rain on me. Promise not to hurt you, girl, no pain from me. Your love drops on me like rain on me. I promise you won't feel pain from me. Your love like raindrops, girl, rain on me. I promise you won't feel no pain from me. We'll always be friends, not enemies. For how long, girl, that depends on me. On together we will be, cause we on the same team. Anything you want, girl, just ask it of me. Forever it will be, yes, you and fucking me. Nobody ever loved me like you love me. Got no time for the games, ain't no gaming with me. That shit is played out like it was PS3. If you ever need me, girl, just give me a call. And if ever you fall, I make sure you stand tall. Me break your heart, hardly not if at all. If love was the height, it would be extra tall. Talking Empire State, yes, Niagara Falls. I'll always be there, I'm never pressing pause. Rain on me, your love feels like raindrops on a summer day. I remember when I first saw you, not hard to notice. It was you and your friend, but my view and their focus. You could tell that I love you, girl, it's not hard to notice. No need for you to ask this, girl, you already know this. I never thought that you would make me feel like this. First, we were just friends, you said the deal. With a kiss, you went from just another girl to the top of my list. And when you gone, baby girl, you the one that I miss. I reminisce on how we do it, touch, hug, and kiss. And when I'm walking behind you, the way I'm holding your hips, I love your sexy little body, ass, thighs, and lips. And when we bout to do it, girl, I sit and watch you strip. A head full of pretty hair, a head full of intelligence. I love you cause your beauty, style, grace, then you delicate. Not another girl that God could have better said. Your love feels like rain, it was heaven sent. Rain on me, girl. Your love feels like some raindrops on a summer day. Just rain on me, girl.